What's up, YouTube? I'm here with Lyric. What's up? I'm here with my dad. What's up? I'm here with Nisha. And I'm here with Brandy, Brayden, and Brooke, and Auntie Brett. It's for YouTube, duh. So we're at the yacht club right now, and it's very crowded. So like, bro, let's see me hack the vending machine, bro. Let's do that. Boom, baby.
I did it first to get it. Okay.
I saw it. I was just waiting for the right time. That's
Run.
Like, guys, I was thinking, like, you know, like Jake Paul. It's like Jake Paulers or like low gangster. But like, what should we be? And when I get to 100 subscribers, I mean, I know that's not a lot, but like, thanks for doing that. But like, what should our name be? What should I call you guys? Should we be like, or be like, instead of being like, what's up, YouTube, be like, what's up, short Flores? So just comment down below, and also hit that subscribe button. Get back to Lyric. Okay. Hello, they're vlogging. What's up, guys? So I'm back home. I got water. My throat hurts. I got cough clap. We're having a party today. It's my grandma's birthday, and it's gonna be oh my god! I need a shirt. Holy cow! See that? Now I have a shirt. So let's do that. Okay, guys, so this is the end. What? This is going to end the vlog. Okay. So, okay. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're at 73 subscribers, guys. You are doing it. But it's been a week. It's been 2 weeks, and we haven't gotten 100 subscribers. Shut up. Try to get 200 subscribers by the end of the summer. How about that? Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace out.
Yeah.